person. I should judge anyone based on their actions as a kid. I hung up on him and am not planning on talking to him again until he apologizes. He had my parents call me to tell me they think I really should give her a chance. She's a changed person and has told them sorry for what she did to me in the past. Lol, I didn't get that apology. Who the F cares if she says sorry to them? I sure as F don't. I told them until she's begging me to give her a chance for forgiveness. They can F off with my brother. As of an hour ago, Aaron sent me a very heartfelt and sweet message, which I will copy and paste here. Hey Sean, this is Aaron. I'm sorry about my actions in high school, but honestly, it was a decade ago. I don't know why you care anymore. The things you do as kids don't accurately reflect who you are, and I doubt you're the same person as you were back then. The fact that you're judging me and not even letting me be happy with your brother when we announce a very serious and joyful thing is honestly very disappointing. I figured you would have grown up and not acted like a child about this. Well, smile, I effing hate her, bro. Holy poop. So I replied, hey cunt, glad to hear from you. You destroyed my high school years and never even gave a glimpse of remorse, so you can go F yourself. And I hope your marriage with my brother ends in cheating and fighting and you living in a box under the freeway again. F you effing cunt. So now I don't know, I'm done with my brother and just the entire situation. Am I in the wrong for dropping him out of my life and not